Look at your bells, Sisterlocks. Aren't they pretty? I love it.
I used to get off for fall.
They are so pretty. Do I have a lot of new growth?
You have it's enough to tuck, because it's really like a follow-up appointment. And just to see how it's looking, and this is your follow-up retightening right after your installation. Well, establishment, sorry about that.
Ooh, that shampoo felt so good. And we do not have to, we didn't band it and braid it. So, we don't have to do that. 3 hours later, we're done. My first retightening.
You want the cucumber?
Yay.
This part.
We should have got close at the beginning. So that way you can.
Okay, eat it.
You want to go look in the mirror?
Twins. Okay. That wasn't bad for 3 hours. My first retightening. I can tell that it is tightened. Yay.
This is in the dishwasher dirty.
I have 2 little shadows. With Gracie. Gracie! Yeah, there. Hey, Gracie! With your little nasty face. Oh. Yay, cool beans. So she has to, tomorrow, Gracie, not Gracie, tomorrow, Joy Bell is getting her hair retightened. So, maybe I'll get some more footage of that tomorrow. Hey, baby. Today we're getting retightened, so we have to shampoo, and she's braided and banded her hair. Let's see. I remember when my sister was little, I used to put her on my countertop like this and shampoo her hair. Now, what are you using in shampoo?
This is the Sisterlocks green tea shampoo.
Oh, okay.
You technically not supposed to use it until your locks have been more established, but it just smells so good and it's moisturizing. Our hair is naturally dry.
So sticky.
So,
Okay.
yes, Grace.
Oh, you're getting a good shampoo. And how long has she been established now? How many?
She got them in the day before her birthday, so
it was July 6th.
Yeah, July 6th is when.
So not quite 4 weeks yet.
Correct.
But she is following the instructions of her loctician. So
11, 12,
if your
13, 14,
loctician has told you not to shampoo this early, then do not.
18, scrappy, ooh, scrappy.
So making sure that one of the big things with baby locks or Sisterlocks period is when you go in to shampoo the hair, not going in and just scratching all over it.
Right.
So I'm going, it may not look like it, but I'm only going in one direction. I'm not going like back and forth and all around. I'm just going in one direction. And with the first shampoo, I focus more on the scalp. So this time we're going to focus more on the hair itself.
Mommy, are you done now?
Almost.
I can't wait much longer.
You can sit your head up and lean over the sink.
You're doing good, Joy Bell.
Just rest. We normally listen to music, but Echo isn't connected to the internet right now.
Okay.
But it's so easy to like wash it.
I know they are so cute. I love her locks.
Yep.
Oh.
So what we did was we banded it. I braided it in the little plaits and took little rubber bands and wrapped it around the ends, and then took it and looped it around the base of the hair of the braid. So when I finish what I'll do is cut them loose and then pull them apart to make sure none of them are trying to marry.
Cut the rubber bands loose.
Yes, I'm gonna cut the rubber bands loose. I'm not gonna twist it throughout her hair.
Oh, okay.
And if you guys remember, this is my sister. Look, her locks are down.
Oh,
she did get them
I did not comb my head this morning.
I know, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's a Saturday morning, so she did what? It took about 30 hours to get her locks removed. She took them loose, so she'll get established in a few months, maybe.
Yeah. So I'm just towel drying a little bit. See her little babies. Yeah, them done came loose. That one's still holding on.
That's where she cut her hair in the front.
Yeah. Only one of them made it.
Yeah, Miss Joybell wanted to get some scissors and whack her hair before she got Sisterlocks.
She got bored.
She got bored. I think a lot of kids do that. I'm trying to think, did I do that? I know I was trying to cut my hair when I was little and just jacked it up in the front.
They have nap time and everything.
This is what happens when you're doing kids' hair. They have to entertain themselves. We have a tablet going, the baby dolls. But she is rolling.
Did you say it's only $20 per child?
And that's Dream.
I take them at 7:30. 7:30 to 6.
Dream, let's see your hair. Dream is her daughter.
Got nap time.
Roll on in, Dream. She's Sisterlock too. He's cute. Dream, how long has your hair been locked?
About 20 years.
About 20 years. Is that not funny? Mom, how long has she been?
About 3 years.
About 3 years. Okay. You doing good, Joybell?
And then my hair is Sisterlocks.
You're doing good,
I want
baby.
to take it out. I want my hair. I like it.